The following message has been requested by the New York Police Department. At 9:25 p.m., there have been reports of an unexplained occurrence in Central Park. People reported seeing ghosts wreaking havoc in the park. These ghosts are considered hostile. Police are heavily guarding the area until further notice. Avoid Central Park until the all-clear is given. The following message has been requested by the New York Police Department. At 9:55 p.m., people have reported that they have experienced paranormal activity in their homes. This includes messed up furniture, unexplained sounds, and other unusual activity. These reports may be related to the incident at Central Park. All residents within a 2-mile radius are advised to shelter in place. To shelter in place, lock all doors and windows from the outside. Please stay tuned for any further information.
This is NBC New York coming in with some breaking news. Just 5 minutes ago, some unusual activity had just occurred at New York Times Square. No one knew what had just happened, so let's get Kimberly on the air. Kimberly, what's going on right now?
Well, Kendra, it appeared that the people at the scene are covered up in slime. This looked like something out of a horror movie. I have a witness who saw the whole event unfold. Sir, is there anything that you can recount?
Well, I was just on my way to catch the M104 back home. When I was just about to cross West 45th Street, I saw a bunch of ghosts swarming its victims. Thankfully, I was never seen by those horrible ghosts. I have never witnessed such an event like tonight.
As you can see, no one knows where the ghosts are at right now. They may wreak more havoc in the city of New York. But as of right now, we are waiting for more information from the New York Police Department. Back to you, Kendra.
The following message has been requested by the New York Police Department. At 11:30 p.m., the ghosts have been last reported at the New York City Hall. City officials said they made a mess in their offices and even slimed the mayor. As of now, all residents are advised to continue sheltering in place. Tune into your local media outlet for more information of this developing situation. The following message has been requested by the New York Police Department. At 11:40 p.m., all of the ghosts that were causing chaos in New York have been eradicated by a group of 4 men with high-tech devices. They called themselves the Ghostbusters. They have saved the city from further destruction. For now, everything is back to normal. All regular programming will now resume. The New York Police Department would like to thank you for your cooperation. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the New York Police Department. At 12:15 a.m., a large marshmallow man has been spotted causing chaos in the streets of New York. The Marshmallow Man, reportedly the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, was spotted roaming south along Broadway. It's believed that one of the Ghostbusters thought of the creature from the possessed building, reportedly 55 Central Park West by witnesses. All residents within a half-mile radius are advised to shelter in place as we are currently dealing with the situation. Tune into your local media outlet for further information. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the New York Police Department. The Stay Puft Marshmallow Man has been defeated by the Ghostbusters. However, by the time the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man was defeated, it left a huge mess in its wake. Cleanup crews have been dispatched to help clean up the mess made by the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. The New York Police Department would like to thank you for your cooperation. Normal programming will now resume.